Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online YouTube class. My dear students, you also know before class we have complete our rational numbers, and today we have discussed about our new chapter, and that's name is exponent. So my dear student, in that period we have discussed about our what is exponents and what is the various type of exponent, reciprocal of integers, and another parts of that exponents. Okay, so my dear student, you also know when before I start our class, before I start our new chapter, firstly I wrote on the board some topics, which topic we have discussed in that class. So firstly you write down in your copy, and that's the first topic is exponent. So what is exponent? We know about exponent in that chapter. And next year, reciprocal of rational number. My dear student, before class we have discussed about, you also know about reciprocal of reciprocal of numbers name rational numbers. Okay, and here law of exponent. In this period we know about what is the law of exponent. Okay, next year expressing large number. It means when we have any more than large numbers, how to express in that number, in that's exponent form, you also know about. Okay, and next year numbers in expanded form, numbers in expanded form in exponents. Okay, and last time we have discussed about the exercise. It means you take your book and after that solve the question answer exercise. We have if you have any publication of book and you also solve the question. So firstly you write down in your copy of all topics. It means that's no large chapter. There are only 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 5 topics only, and that's another your exercise. You choose which publication book you read, and that's, I think, if you read R.S. Agarwal book, that's only three exercise. Okay, so you solving your exercise also. Okay, so firstly write down in your copy. Next we have to start our first topic, exponent. Okay, so let us start our first topic. First topic is exponent. So my dear student, what is exponent? Okay, so that's the first topic. It means just like a repeated form of any rational number, any number. So that's called the exponent. So how to solve that type of question? So in that class we have discussed about that's all periods. Okay, so firstly repeated multiplication of often unconvenient and use. It means repeated multiplication form, and that's the exponent form, and that's another name of, just like here you also see exponent and index also. Okay, so as we say, how we use symbol is write it. It is how to solve that problem and how to write in that type of question. So you also see, that's the example. One example here, 5 multiply 5 multiple 5 multiple 5, 1 2 3 4 upon 5, 4 times multiply, as you write in that form, 4 upon 5 upon 5, 5 to the 10 to the power 5 to the power 4, and read it as 5 raised to the power 4, 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, we call the 5 is base, that's the base, and 4 is the power, and 5 is the base. 5 is the base and 4 is the power. Okay, and that's the exponent. That's the exponent or index also. Okay, so are you understand how to solve the that type of question? It means exponents. Okay, the notation is called, in that type of whole notation is called exponential form. My dear student, when you solve the exercise question, ask some question, find in exponential form. So how to find? So you see here called the exponential form or power notation. Exponential, if any questions come in power notation, that says convert in exponential form or power notation also. Okay, so that's here, if A by B is if a by b is a rational number. If a by b is a rational number, then that's the form a by b ka whole square. That's the power notation form. Okay. Next here it means a by b into a by b. That's the power form. And you also see in that type a by b ka whole power. Okay, a by b power 2 power. Okay, next here just like that's a form. It means what is the rule of what is the formation of that form? A by b power n equal to a power n by b power n. A base and power n, b base and power n for every positive integers n. It means that type of in any questions that's a positive integer of n, that's you form in right form. That's okay. Just like you that's a example here. 3 by 4 power 2 power. Okay, so how to solve that? You see here, if a by b whole square, a by b into a by b, you also write in that format. After that you solve in that exponential form. Okay, so when you solve it, 3 by 4 whole equal to, you solve it, means 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, that's the form. And when you solve it, it means 3 multiple of 3 3s are 9, and next here 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. That's your answer. That's your answer. Next here second form, how to solve them. Here that's a question minus 2 cube. It means 3 times. When you write 3 times, okay, that's the first 5 minus 2 power 5 minus 2 power 5 and minus 2 power 5. Okay, so 3 times means multiple of 3 times. That's the 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So first you write down it. Okay, next 5 5s are 25 and 25s are 125. So 120. But here minus. You see minus into minus into minus. So minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So that's the form of minus. It means your answer is minus 8 by 125. That's the solution of that question. It means if any question come in that form, it means just like a power form. So how to convert? That's the exponential form. So that's your answer. Firstly, you multiply with its part. Just like here, if 5, if that's the power is 5, power is 5 and base is minus 2 by 5. How to solve it? It means you write minus 2 by 5 in 5 times. After that you multiply with number, then your answer. Okay, so in that period we have discussed about and that question. Okay, so firstly you write down in your copy. Okay, so next topic is just like reciprocal of exponent. Reciprocal of. So how to, my dear student, you also know what is the reciprocal. It means reciprocal means just like a opposite. If your question in plus 5, positive 5, so what is the reciprocal? It's minus 5. Okay, 1 by 2. So that's the reciprocal is 2 by 1. So just like in here, just like a by b of reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of a by b? So that's your answer is b by a upon, that's your reciprocal. So easy. Just like here 5 by 2 receive. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 2 square? It means 2 by 5 upon square 2. That's your reciprocal. Okay, my dear student. So in that class we have discussed about the reciprocal, what is the exponent and what is the reciprocal, and how to find the exponential form and how to find the exponent in power form. Okay, and that's the how to find the reciprocal of the exponent number. Okay, so my dear students, and next day we have discussed about the properties of exponent, and next left topic. So firstly, my dear student, you stay home, save your life and continue your study, and you also complete your fair copy. Okay, so thank you.